So we're at Chelsea Academy today, working with Chelsea Foundation, obviously Epic Risk Management. We're at 5 different schools, 5 different people from our company, working with the scholars of the football club. I'll be telling my story about how gambling had an impact on my life. Obviously I can touch on football as well, having been a scholar at Redhill myself. Raising awareness around mental health and wellbeing, getting people talking about the problem, and obviously just creating a safe environment for people to open up, to feel at home, and sort of get conversations going. I think it will be massively important, especially for younger people. If people like myself and then obviously the scholars start saying about problems that they might be facing in their lives, and how we can combat those.
Because obviously I'm not part of the school anymore and I left in year 9, well, it's just nice to see things haven't really changed, but there's just different rooms. I remember I used to do ICT in this room, but this is the new LRC, the library. So it's really nice. It's good to be back. We're going to talk about our routine and our journeys growing up through football and how we got into Chelsea and how we were awarded our scholars, and also about addictions and gambling and gaming, reaching out to people and talking.
We've linked up with Epic today, which has been great. We've had their facilitators come in and discuss, raise awareness around gambling, sharing their stories, as well as educating our young people on how to prevent getting into those habits and about looking after themselves and their well-being. And from visiting 2 of the schools today, it's gone down really well. Facilitators, young people have gained a lot from it, as well as our own staff and the foundation. Being able to link in with all 3, so the foundation, the academy and a place like Epic, is really valuable for our young people in the schools to help kind of share everyone's expertise and real beneficial, and something that we hope to continue in the future.
Yeah, it really touched me because I thought it was really good on how you can relate with someone that has done something gambling, because I know people who have gambled, so yeah, it's helped a lot.
It's good to know about these sort of issues so that we can take them into our future and see these issues and know how to deal with them.
I'd say the partnership with Chelsea Foundation and Epic Risk Management, it's been amazing. It's been a match made in heaven.